Hey there, welcome to another video on Nearpod. This video focuses on the interactive portion Nearpod has to offer. This allows your presentation it allows you to interact with your students. It's very engaging for you and your students. It also allows you to pull reports, which I'll show you in another video. So let's go ahead and get started. To get to the interactive portion, you select the Add Slide. And previously, we were looking at the slide feature in order to insert slides. Now we're going to activities, and there's 4 I'm going to focus on in this video. That's pull, collaborate, draw it, and time to climb. Pull, I already have one started, so I'm actually going to cancel this one and show you the one I started by clicking on it. And all it is you typing in some sort of a question or a statement, whatever it is that you're trying to get the information from for your students. And then I, for now, just have comfortable and not comfortable. I'll add some more in later. Something else I want to show you is there is a way that you can add an interactive or an audio feature. And I'll actually show you by deleting that and doing it again. When you click this square, you can add an image, you can add a video, you could add any of these. I want to show you the audio recorder, I think is neat. And you have to make sure that your computer has access to the Nearpod website. You'll have to go and play with that in your settings. And it's super easy to record. How comfortable are you inserting PowerPoint and Google Slides into your Nearpod? Here we go. Hit play. Okay, it works. Save, and it's in there. Great. I will save this slide. Next feature is the activities, the collaborate board. So the collaboration board is awesome. And I usually have my question here and the sentence stem I want my students to answer. You can add, again, so this is just a picture. And I sometimes have pictures, I don't usually, it just depends on what's out there and what I can find and if I feel like it. You can also change the background or layout of your collaboration board. This is awesome because when you are doing this in the classroom, whatever a student types in a response and hits submit, their responses come up on like the teacher board so everybody can see the answers. There is a way that you can switch to hide students' names on as like the teacher, and so students can read each other's answers without seeing the names on the collaboration board, which is great. I like to take grades on these. You can go back in the reports feature of Nearpod and look at your students' answers, and I will show that in another video. So I'm going to actually cancel this because I don't think I want that in just yet. Let's see. I want to show you the time to climb. Time to climb is just like Kahoot. So if you've been making Kahoots, you're ahead of the game. If you haven't, this is super easy and super intuitive. All you do is type your question and your answer choices down here. You can add answer choices, you can delete answer choices. Let's say that you don't want to have answer choices as written in words, but instead you want your students to select the correct picture. You can do that also by uploading pictures from your computer, and then students can select the right picture. I like to do things like that for which picture represents communism or which picture represents constitutional monarchy, stuff like that. You're really creative. I'm sure you can think of something. So we're gonna cancel this because actually I'm not gonna add that in just yet. The last thing I'm showing you is the draw it feature. So I already have one started. I'm gonna go into edit. I already have my question here. Draw the emotion you feel when asked to build a Nearpod. Now, Mr. Bowie did this in a little training we had over the summer. I'm going to try it and see if it works. I'm going to add a background image. I'm grabbing it from my computer. I'm going to my drive, my back to school Nearpod, and I want to have the face shape. Again, this little feature so I can make this bigger or smaller if I like. It looks like I can switch the, I don't know what you would call that, alignment, rotation. Uh-oh. There we go. Lovely. I'm actually going to have this as a pre and post. So I'm going to try to copy the slide. And let's see. I just hit Control V and that's how I copied the slide. So I'm going to have this as a pre and post. I'll put this right there. Lovely. Okay, so that's all I wanted to show you insofar as the interaction pieces are. Super easy to get to, super easy to create, and it's a really easy way for you to engage with your students. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.